Problems on kinetic energy. Problem 1. Calculate the work done by the brakes of car of mass 1000 kg when its speed is reduced from 20 meter per second to 10 meter per second. So what's given is a car which is going, it has reduced the speed by applying the brakes. So what happened? What was its kinetic energy when the speed was at 20 and what is its kinetic energy when the speed is at 10? So the difference in kinetic energy gives the work done by the brakes. So we need to find the kinetic energy at different speeds. So the given data is mass of the car, which is m, 1000 kg, and the velocity of the car when it is at 20 meter per second. What is the kinetic energy? We'll call this as the initial kinetic energy because the initial velocity is 20 meter per second, then it went to 10 meter per second. So we'll call this as initial kinetic energy, which is given as half mv square. Half into m is 1000 and v is 20. So 20 into 20. So 2 tens. So this becomes 200,000 joules. Now what is the kinetic energy? Because the velocity, the final velocity is given as 10 meters per second. Now in this case, when velocity v is 10 meter per second, kinetic energy final is half mv square, which is half into 1000 into 10 into 10 because velocity is 10. So now in this case we get it as 50,000 joules. So the difference in these two kinetic energies is the work done. Hence work done is equal to kinetic energy initial kinetic energy is higher than final kinetic energy. Why? Because the speed, the velocity is higher in the initial kinetic energy. So the work done also will be higher. So which is 200,000 minus 50,000, which gives rise to 150 kilojoules. 150,000 joules, which is nothing but 150 kilojoules is the work done. Now we'll see problem 2. Find the momentum of a body of mass 100 grams having a kinetic energy of 20 joules. So we are given a kinetic energy and we are given mass. We need to find the momentum. We know the momentum equation is mass into velocity. So hence we need to first find the velocity. Now we need to find momentum. Momentum is mass into velocity. So to find velocity, we have kinetic energy, which is half mv square, which is nothing but 20 joules. Now in this, half into m is known, 100 by 1000. We need to convert it into kg. Into v square is 20. On cancellation, we get v square as 20 into, this is 2 into 10, 20. So v is 20 meter per second. Knowing v, we can find out what is the momentum of a body. M into v, which is 100 by 1000 into 20, 0, 0, 2 zeros. So this becomes 2 kg meter per second. So 2 kg meter per second is the momentum of a body. Problems on kinetic energy. Problem 3. A man drops a 10 kg rock from the top of 5 meter ladder. What is its speed just before it hits the ground? what is its kinetic energy when it reaches. Height of the ladder is 5 meters. And we need to find what is the velocity just before it hits the ground. And we know when something is dropped from the height, initial velocity is 0. So let us see now what are the given things and how to solve the problem. So the mass of the rock is given, which is 10 kg, and initial velocity u is 0, and the acceleration due to gravity with which the stone travels, g is 10 meters per second square, which is given. Now from this we can find what is v, the final velocity. We know from the law of first equation v square minus u square is 2gh, and here v square minus u is 0, 2 into g is 10, and h is 5 meters. So v square is equal to 100, v is 10. Now the kinetic energy before it reached the ground is half mv square. So half m is 10 kg, v square is 100. So it is 500 joules. So the kinetic energy of the rock before it reached the ground is 500 joules. See problem 4. Problem 4. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second is 25 joules. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is double? So basically we know kinetic energy is given as half mv square, in which we know mass of the body is m and velocity is 5 meters per second, and we also know what is kinetic energy, which is 25 joules. So 25 is equal to half into m into 5 into 5. So m becomes 50 by 25. So it is 2 kg. Now we need to find kinetic energy when its velocity is doubled. That means in the first case, when velocity v is doubled, that is 2 into 5, that is 10 meters per second. Then what is the kinetic energy? Which is half mv square. So half into 2 into 10 into 10. So this becomes 2 gets cancelled. So 100 joules. So the kinetic energy when velocity is doubled is 100 joules. And the second case, wherein what will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is increased 3 times. So what happens in this case? The velocity is increased 3 times. So v becomes 3 into 5. 5 is the initial velocity. So 15 meters per second. Then what happens to kinetic energy? It is half mv square. So half into mass is 2 and v becomes 15. So 15 into 15. So this becomes 225 joules. So the kinetic energy when the velocity is increased 3 times is 225 joules.